Hello friend, meet you again. In here, we will searching animal in the grass. Okay, we will find the animal for you. Okay, what you will get to find in here? Okay, white. Let's find. Wow, what is this, friend? What is this? Wow, this is beetle. This is beetle, friend. Okay.
This one also.
Okay, beetle. Okay, find again. What is this? Wow.
And you also puppy.
This is fly. This is flies. Yes, this is flies. Okay. Okay, put it here. You'll find it. Wow, the beetle. Wow, beetle. Okay. Wow, green beetle. This one. Oh, green beetle. What is this? Spider? Yeah. Wow, spider. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is blue beetle. Yeah, blue beetle. Okay, put here. Okay. Wait. Scorpion, be careful. Scorpion. Okay, Aaron, put this one. Okay. Okay, fine together. This. One. Wait, what is that? Beetle again. Okay, yeah.
It's so funny. Wait. Okay.
This one. And beetle again.
Oh.
Wow, so many beetle. Wow, this is beetle.
Okay.
Okay.
I like this beetle.
Okay. Let's find again. What is that? Beetle and the stone. On the stone. Okay. Okay. Wow, we got so many. We get so many beetle. This one. Fine now. This. Okay.
This one is rock.
The rock. Okay. This one. Wow. Ant. This is ant. Okay. Oh, ant PKI itu namanya. Ant PKI. Wow, cricket. Hey. We got cricket here. Tuh. Wow, we got cricket in here. Oh, cricket. And this one, cockroach. Okay, cockroach. This one. We got bat. Bat. Ah, we got bat. Yeah. And this one. Oh, beetle again.
There's so many beetles.
Wow. This is bee.
Oh, I like.
Ah, bee. And this one, wow, grasshopper. Grasshopper. Okay. Find again. Grasshopper. Aaron, grasshopper. Where is the
This
grasshopper?
one. Look.
Wow, this is bee. Okay. Okay, the grasshopper is small. Small grasshopper.
Let me take.
Where's the grasshopper?
Ding.
Huh? Yeah, and this one. Yay! We got small grasshopper and already finished?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Let me take this CCTV.
Okay, fine again. Ah, what is this? Ah, like a dragonfly. Okay. Yeah, we got so many insect. Okay, bring all together to home. Bring together to home. Okay.
Maganda.
Okay, bring to the floor. Okay.
Hey, what's that?
Hey, okay. That's one. One by one. Okay.
So, hey, look
Don't any left?
already all this.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Find again. No left in here. Okay, that's fine.
Need to use.
Okay. We will count here. Okay, we will count here. Wow. This one is grasshopper. Oh, the big grasshopper, friend. Wow. Grasshopper. This is a small grasshopper. Small grasshopper from grass. Oh. This is ant. Ah, be careful with ant because ant have a big teeth or can beat you or very hurt. Okay. This one, wow, beetle. We got so many beetle. This one is beetle. And this one is beetle. This one beetle. So many kind of beetle in here. Wow. Beetle again.
Hey, look, that I get some one snail.
Snail. Okay. Wow. Beetle. And again. Wow. Beetle again. And this one. Also beetle. This is bat. Oh, this one is bee, yellow bee, bumblebee. Oh, bumblebee. This one is flies. This one is Scorpio. Scorpion. This one, oh, cricket. Oh, we got also cricket, orange cricket. Wow. What is this? Oh, cockroach. We also got spider. Oh, wow. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. No. This is the spider toys. This one. Wow. Bumblebee again. And this one, the last is dragonfly. You know this one? This is a dragonfly. Ooh. Hmm. Wow, we got so many insects in here. Okay, I will show to you. Wow. We got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We got 20. We got 21. Okay. Okay, friends. See you again. Thank you.